Hey friends, if you encounter the issue where API MS WinCore Timezone DLL is missing on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. Okay, this is one solution. The next one is to re-register the DLL. So search for Microsoft C++ C distributable on any browser and then go to the first link, which is at learn.microsoft.com. Go to Visual Studio 2015, 2017, 2019, 2022. Scroll down, select the x64 version for 64-bit computer and x86 for a 32-bit computer. Click on open. Once it opens, click on repair. It will reinstall the missing DLL files. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.